Not a fever de Mlefe, Transing.
Men not a fever de Mlefe, Transing.
Trewan in Toffee Mojen,
Trewan in Toffee Mojen.
Other Froda Dutch Mo Tampon,
Other Froda Dutch Mo Tampon,
oh, Sonin Croyos, Montitain.
Oh, Sonin Croyos, Meditain.
Jacqua Jarina, dear said,
Jacqua Jarina, dear said,
Acusibio Cumbroch Mo Tampon,
Acusibio Cumbroch Mo Tampon,
Nadarma ono ni nana mo ewo ahojo baako ena radidi atumo a ode hye adwudiwi otuma yesi nadarma ba be hye enura adwudiwi da to no so
Pancho robot we no itimi check temperature oko healthcare centers and mechanical hospitals ana ebimu so ebesa presentation ebetimi akira de emfa no say oko schools wa betimi akire nkran de ana robot we no so esa serve as a tourist attraction the me pa akire nyina ne say obetimi e de asibe with say cultural center various schools ebeba ho aba behwe etueska say robot we enema bebre na mitimi enya qualified components no improve it no although my demonstration kakra wa hana so improvement no enyamba intino mentimi enye no total nasanya Mr. Peno Passion Sabrino or Chiachia na mema ne kwan obema speech kakra anaso obekasa kakra ewa hana mama ne kwan wakasa
Greetings to His Majesty Otumfuo II the Second, Chiefs and Elders. I am a humanoid robot. Today, I am very excited to see myself at the Kumasi Manshia Palace, and I am also happy to join you today, as we all celebrate this wonderful Awukuter festival. I am designed by Kwame O. He created me purposely to serve as a security. Although I have so many limitations, but I believe that I will be improved in the near future. I am very grateful to His Majesty Otumfuo II the Second, Chiefs and Elders, for giving me this great opportunity to talk to you. Thank you very much.
VSS last year na mitimi twaso.
I don't so VSS. That's it.